Happy Friday. What's going on, team? I have a pretty interesting recap today. And actually, if you've even been thinking about joining LPP, the trade that I actually took today, so I shorted SOUN. You guys hear me talk about shorting it. You guys hear me talk about these live trading sessions. But if you're not part of my LPP team, you know nothing, you don't know what to expect. The first link in the comment section, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pin it. All I ask for is feedback. In today's live trading session, I trade live every single morning. We waited for SOUN. As this thing gapped up and became overbought, I opened up short, I added more to it, and as direction became favorable and we approached the previous support range, I took profits and I made in that live session from start to finish, every entry, every exit, 3.8K. So I'm up a little bit more now, 4.2. That's because it sold off, it found support. I'm now going long on SOUN, but I have a very small position. Quick little heads up, I suck at trading on Fridays. And that's one thing that you'll hear me talk about in today's live trading session if you take time to watch it. But I just wanted you to get a taste of what the LPP team gets to experience every single day. You have heard me talk about it so many times. You have seen so many people, be a part of the LPP team. And it's one of the biggest values because, again, it's no fluff, it's no fancy edits, nothing like that. It's just a raw live session, me, the charts, and you hear me explain kind of the thought process to which led to that successful trade. Talked about risk management, talked about if things begin to go south, and then I added more to it when actually direction became favorable. So I think you'll really enjoy it, especially if you're a beginner. Take time, watch it, and please, all I ask for in return is just feedback. What did you enjoy most, and what would you like to see moving forward? With that being said, SOUN overall short from highs to overall lows. Now I'm going long on it. I'm up 4.3K. I have 2,700 shares right now, so a very small position, $3,800. So again, keeping it light because, again, historically speaking, I don't trade the best on Friday. So respecting that, I don't want to put myself in a tough position. I want to enjoy this Friday, and I don't want to overcomplicate my trading today. But one thing that we picked up on, and you'll hear me talk about it in today's live session if you watch it, is that SOUN every single day within the first hour and a half of the market open, always it pumps and then it dumps. 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 At least for the past 4 days, it has done that. So when we saw that setup, again, I saw it as an ideal opportunity to short SOUN. It was just a really solid setup. Very calculated trade. I planned it all out, and I think it's a great breakdown for a complete beginner that's just getting into the market. So just wanted to recap the trade. It's the only trade that I've taken so far today, and I'm very excited to see what else presents itself. Bitcoin is pushing right now. MSCR is almost at $400. We're becoming very overbought, but again, Trump is still yet to be inaugurated. We'll see if this sends Bitcoin to new highs or if it starts tumbling down, and if it does start tumbling down, then that will be our time to strike to short MSTR as Bitcoin begins to retrace. But we don't have that confirmation yet. So again, Bitcoin continue to push. Let's not overcomplicate it, and let's enjoy the process. So I appreciate your time. Hope that earned a thumbs up. I hope that you enjoyed today's live session. Again, it's going to be linked down below. And if you have any questions after you watch it, feel free to comment. We'd love to answer. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.